In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-signature template in Canva. Hi everyone, this is perfect for beginners and very easy to follow. And by the end, you'll have a clean, reusable signature you can place on documents, emails, or graphics. We'll start with a simple text-based e-signature. Open Canva and click Create a Design. Choose either Custom Size or Document, based on where you plan to use the signature. A slightly larger canvas helps keep the export crisp. Next, go to Text and select Add a Heading. Type your full name exactly as you want it to appear. Now change the font to a script or handwriting style to mimic natural pen strokes. Fonts like Allura, Pacifico, or Alex Brush are great options and look professional without being hard to read. Adjust the font size until the signature is prominent but not stretched, and pick a color that feels authentic. A deep charcoal or navy can look more like ink than pure black. If you'd like, you can add your title or contact details underneath using smaller text. Keep that secondary text subtle so the signature remains the focus. If you prefer a more personal, handwritten look, here's a second method. Open Canva and create a design with a custom size. On the left panel, go to Draw. Choose a pen or marker tool. Use your mouse, trackpad, or a tablet if you have one, and write your signature right on the canvas. Take your time and aim for smooth, confident lines. You can adjust the stroke thickness to match a fine pen or a bold marker and change the color to your preferred ink style. If a line doesn't look clean, use the eraser and redraw. It's normal to try a few times until it feels just right. Zooming in while you write can help you get smoother curves and cleaner endpoints. Once your signature looks good, it's time to download it. Click Share, then Download. Choose PNG as the file type. If it's available for your account, enable transparent background. This removes the white box, so your signature sits seamlessly over PDFs, images, or documents. Finally, click Download and save it somewhere easy to find. You can reuse this file across different projects without recreating it each time. And that's how you create an e-signature template in Canva. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.